There are over 5 million U.S. citizen children in this country who are living with at least one undocumented parent, and kids are being separated from their parents when their parents are being detained by immigration. And some of these children, the number is unclear, are being placed in foster care throughout the various United States. And in many of these cases, because the parents are detained or deported, they are unable to participate in the foster care hearings, the court hearings that occur. And some parents have had difficulty reuniting with their children because their children were placed in foster care against their wishes. On a positive note, some states have made moves to legislate around this and to create protections for parents who are detained, keeping their kids out of foster care or mandating that the parents are able to reunite with children. These are states like Maryland, New York, Washington, D.C., Virginia. New Jersey's contemplating new legislation. Nevada, California have already passed legislation. In many of the states like Texas, where I live, of course, there is no impetus to protect children of undocumented parents. And so it's really important that people who live in these states that don't have these protections are completing safety plans. If you follow me, go to my, links, go to abogadokate.com. We have created a safety planning packet that is particularly helpful in Texas because it has the voluntary caregiver authorization. It's a 5-page document that each child needs. So if a mom has 3 kids, she's going to need 3 of these documents to elect the caregiver who will essentially have the custody of her children should she be detained. That person should have permanent legal status in this country, like a green card or citizenship. They should live nearby. They should have their phone on at all times, and everybody should understand their role, including the children. So those are some tips to protect ourselves, but it does seem like there is sort of awareness going on in a lot of the states and a move to start protecting kids from going into foster care when their parents are taken.